To download Disney Plus on your Android phone, first we'll locate the Play Store, which looks like this. Swipe up to go in your app drawer and find the Play Store from there. This is the marketplace for all the apps on your Android phone. If you're logged into a Google account, you're all set and ready to start downloading. If not, your phone will ask you to log in first. You'll see top charts for popular apps in different categories, which is a great way to discover new apps. If you know what you're looking for, you can always use the Search tab to type and search. I'll search for Disney Plus, and it shows up on the top of the results. Keep in mind that sometimes your search results include several apps that might look very similar, so double-check to make sure you're downloading the correct app. Tap the app to view more info, technical specs, reviews, etc., and then tap Install to download the app on your phone. Downloading could take a while depending on your internet speed. Once the app is downloaded, you'll just tap Open, and you're all set. Then you'll simply go through the setup and log in with an existing account, or create a new account if you don't have one already. To access the app again, you'll swipe up to view your app drawer and find it from there. If you'd like, you can tap and hold the app and add it to your home screen. On the home screen, you can tap, hold, and drag it to anywhere you'd like, and that way you'll have it always available for quick access on your home screen. Click that like button if this helped you, and check out my Android playlist for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.